Oh, yum, 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 yum. Gonna give yourselves indigestion. I'm getting covered in lettuce. Okay, the chickens are going to get jealous. You got something on your face. Okay, I'm going to put that down there. There you go. Right. Okay, boys. Come here. You got it hanging out of your face. Boys! Come on then. Alright, Diego. You got a bit short change there, mate, didn't you? Are you going to eat out of my hand? Probably not. Here we go. I don't want you to miss out either. Good boy. And Bella's like, excuse me, where's my food? Good boy, Diego. And the geese have got their own food, haven't they? Hey, should I put this in your house? And get all this to yourself? Come on. Oh, Tiny's come down as well. Oh. Alright. Go on then, you can eat your lettuce. Alright, boys. Ooh. It's one way to get the kids in at night. Right. Let's go for the chicken frenzy. Hi, kiddos. Hello. Look at what I got. Looky, looky, looky. Oh my goodness. Let me take it out of the bag. Oh, Peppa. Come on, Chili. Come on, Ginger. Okay, Tiny's going for a look in the chicken house. Shall I put this in your house and we can all go to bed? I say we, I mean you. Oh, Peppa, Chili. You gonna come and get some? Come on, Ginger. That's a big chunky bit of lettuce. There are 3 of you, to be fair. Ginger! It's alright. Don't be scared of Tiny, she's just looking for mice. Okay. Come on, Ginger. Ginger. Come on. No, Tiny scared her off. Bella? What are you doing? Okay, hold on. Okay. No, don't go outside. Okay, go. Go. Go and get your din-dins. Oh, these tomatoes are about to flower. Oh, there we go. Peppa's like the dominant male. Straight in on everything. You gonna get Ginger some? Hey? Let Ginger have some. Ooh. Ooh. I'm scrapping on it. There's enough for everybody. Come on. I'll put some up top as well. Here. There we go, Change. Good girl. Get your own little private buffet. Good girl. Hey. Leave those silly boys to sort themselves out. All right. Good girl, Ginge. Right, back to the others. Okay, that's Diego in. Good boy. All right, night night, Daddy-o. Chickens are in. Hi, duckies. Are you going to have some more? Hey? What? Oh, that's a hornet. Don't be eating the hornets, whatever you do, kids. Right, I might put this in your house. It's a cat, don't worry. It's just Bella. Yum, 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 yum. You're such messy eaters. Okay. Right. Come with me. Or don't come with me. I'm going to put this in here. Ooh. Let's get rid of that. Straight on the lettuce. To top that up from the chicken house. Are we good? Yes. You got that. And, oh, okay, still preferring the grain. Slow down, for goodness sake. Hey. Troughing. You're troughing. Yum, 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 yum. Oof, no wonder your bed's such a mess. Alright. So lettuce. Okay. Oh my god. You put it all on the floor. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, I'm going to give your dad some more. Hi, Diego. Ooh. You got quite the single duck banquet tonight. Alright, see you in the morning.